Hi guys, welcome back to my channel Technology, and today in this video tutorial I will show you guys how to fix VirtualBox full screen not working. So you just need to follow me. I will show you guys how to fix that issue. So simply what you have to do, you just need to go to your my computer over here and make sure that you have installed Virtual Guest. To install, you just need to click on this device over here and click on Insert Guest Additions CD image. And after that, it will show you on your my computer under this PC. So if you are using 64-bit version, simply click on Open, and here you will get a VirtualBox Windows Edition AMD 64, or you can install this one. Okay. After install, you just need to start your PC, means your VirtualBox. So still, if your problem is there, then I will suggest you to click on this View option over here and click on Auto Resize Guest Display. After click on that option, it will fix your full screen problem, as you can see. So I hope this quick tutorial will really help for you, and please don't forget to click on the subscribe button, like button and share button. And if you have any question, then comments down below. I will see you guys in the next video. Till then, bye bye, take care.